Hi all, today we have Bala who recently got a job after completing my Microsoft Dynamics CRM training. He will share his experience and he will have a short interview for the benefit of new students.
Yeah. Hi Bala, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. And first of all, congratulations for your job in CRM. And yeah, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah. Hi, my name is Bala.
Hmm.
I have 20 years of experience in Java JTE. Uh, I was looking for a good opportunity in IT, and that's when I decided to learn Microsoft Dynamics CRM.
Okay. So you are into Java, right? I think from Java side also, like you have 20 years experience. So may I know why you want switch your career into CRM side, Dynamic CRM?
Yeah. Since I have 20 years experience, the kind of interview was scheduled, right? They were taking more of a technical, like a
Mm,
developer level, but
mm,
not at the lead level or the manager level. And
mm.
I have done more coding now, so I want to looking for the no code or low code tool. That's where I found the Microsoft Dynamics, which has a 80% tool experience or the functional knowledge, and just only 15 to 20% the coding.
Okay. Yeah, it is a low code, no code technology. Yes. So
Yeah,
anyway, how did you come to know about this training?
yeah. I watched a few of your YouTube videos, and also discussed with my friends, right, about the CRM technology. That's where
Mm.
uh, and your training was very helpful and easily understandable. Uh, I was in a dilemma before going through the your demos, whether to take up the Microsoft CRM or not, since I'm new to this, right? But after hearing your videos, I got a clear picture, and from there, I I feel that yeah, this technology will survive for next 10 years without any doubt.
Okay. Yeah. So how was my training support? Like it was easily understandable, and also my support also. How was that during the training?
Yeah, the support was very good. Whenever I have doubts, you were there to clarify. And as and when I get any doubts, right, you are easily approachable. Uh, so I it helped a lot in learning this new technology.
So did this training help to crack the interviews?
Yeah, the
CRM.
training, the training gave me strong knowledge and confidence. The interview questions, the mock interviews, right, and the real time examples and live examples helped me to answer the interview questions confidently.
So how many of my mock interviews did you attended uh, during the
Mm,
training?
I I have attended 5+ mock interviews,
Okay,
and with that, I was able to crack the interviews.
okay. So how many real-time interviews that you have attended for CRM?
I have attended 4 interviews, and I got selected in the fourth.
Fourth one. How many months it took to crack the job?
So from the starting of the training to the after completing the training, and then it took me 2 months because I need to prepare the mock interviews, and I need to do home exercises, right, to practice
Hmm.
more, and also prepare my resume and make sure that it is aligned to that experience, right? And then I started uh, looking for out for jobs.
Okay, so that means 3 months training I have provided to you. After 3 months, 2 months took for cracking that interview, right? Total five
Yes,
months.
Yes,
Within
within
5
five
months,
months.
you switched your entire career, 20 years career. Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And what did you like the most in this training?
So I like the step-by-step explanation
Hmm.
and real-time project scenarios
Hmm.
and live examples, which helped me a lot to understand more. And also the homework sessions, right, or the practice sessions, uh, which give me confidence.
Okay. So, how was my teaching style during the training?
The teaching style was very simple
Hmm.
and beginner friendly. Even complex topics were explained in an easy way. So
Hmm.
even if a non-IT guy comes in, right, you are able to explain the things very well.
So, like, what did you learn during this training? What did you, and which kind of knowledge, like functional, technical, like that? So, can you
So
elaborate on it? Yeah,
yes, both functional as well as technical
both, both.
uh, were covered very well. Uh, I'm good. I have good knowledge both in functional as well as technical after this training.
Okay. So, would you recommend this training to your friends? And
Yes, definitely,
yeah,
definitely. I strongly recommend this training to anyone who wants to build a career in CRM. I also shared your links and the demos for few of my friends who wants to switch their
okay.
career.
So, what advice you give to the beginners and non-technical guys? Like this training will helpful to the non-technical students or people also, right? So, would
Yeah.
you recommend this training to them, and what advice will you give to them?
Focus on the practice, understand the concepts clearly, and attend all sessions regularly. As and when you get it out, ask the trainer, right? You are there to help anytime. So practice, practice, practice.
That's it. Only
Y-
key success is practice,
Yes,
right? Yeah, yeah,
yes.
yeah. And this training will helpful to like non-IT people and IT people, right? Who wanted to switch their career.
Yeah,
Will
because it has a very less code, right? Or low code tool, which we have, the CRM. So even the non-technical guys also can switch their career.
yeah, sure. Yeah, thank you, Bala, and
Mm.
all the best for your new job roles and responsibilities. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Kumar. Thanks for all your support over the months and also for your training. It helped me a lot.
Yeah,
Really
you are
appreciate all
welcome.
your help.
You are welcome, Bala. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.